Hi guys, welcome back to Kizer channel. This is Vera. Today I'd like to show you a funny looking knife. Cyberblade. So not just the titanium version, I also got the green G10 and brown Micarta. They are more budget friendly. So the designer of Cyberblade got the inspiration from Tesla. He wants to create a knife for all use with protective function, the glass breaker. You can click the previous video to see how it works. And if you have any idea or suggestion about this knife, you can follow the designer's inks, and I think he will be glad to have a talk with you. And now let's move on to the specifications. The overall length is 5.7 inches, the blade length is 2.16 inches, the blade thickness is 0.14 inches, which is a bit thicker than other knives. Now I have a question, which one is the lightest? I will tell you later on. For the titanium version, we use S35VM for the blade steel. And for G10 and Micarta edition, we use M390 for the blade steel. Both are great steel, but M390 is easier to maintain its edge retention. It can be opened in two ways: thumb hold and thumb start. It fits really well. I can hold it this way or this way. I feel super secure. The blade style is tanto with nice flat ground, which is great for everyday use, especially for whittling. All of them have stainless backspacer and a useful glass breaker, which can be a great helper when you are in an emergency. Now it's time to review the answer of today's question. It's our Micarta edition. The titanium version weighs 3.42 ounces, the G10 weighs 3.07 ounces, and the Micarta only weighs 2.82 ounces. But the designer said he wants to make this knife gain weight. What do you think? Thank you for your time. This is my review about Cyberblade. If you have any question about this knife, please leave your comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.